Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Restorations and Repairs. Check it out. Folks over at Prostormer were kind enough to send me this ratcheting flex head metric wrench set. I actually don't have that. I have like a partial set from Husky from back I don't even know when, and I don't know what happened to the other pieces, but the ones that are left are nothing I can use. So when they asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing this set or taking a look at this set with you, I said yeah, because it's actually one of the few tools that even after 30 years that I don't have a complete set of or don't have in general. So let's take go ahead and open her up here and we'll see what we got. Oh wow, yeah, okay. So here it is. Let me bring it up here close, and I'll get the camera on this in a second, but it's a complete set. We go all the way from 19 all the way down to 6. That's really cool. So let's get closer in and let's take a few of these out and check them out. All right, first of all, let me go ahead and open up my wrench drawer so you can see that I'm not exaggerating. I do have I have a Blue Point set of these. These are reversible ratcheting. All right, but when it comes to flex heads, I guess I must have thrown the last one out, but it was like a 16 and an 18. Both of them are not usable, but it sure would have been nice to have the whole set. So now I've got it. All right, here we are. We'll go ahead and pull out the 17 here. So it is polished, chrome vanadium, 17 millimeter listed on both sides. It is open end on one side here, and of course box end on the other. One thing I do like that the Husky didn't have was that it told you which direction she was going to turn in. So there's like a little, hopefully you can see that there, but there's like a little arrow that lets you know, hey, which way am I ratcheting? Am I tightening or am I loosening? And so that's cool. As far as this, like you can see, it takes a lot of effort for it to flop around. So I can set the position and lower it down to where I need it to go. I like that. And I'm sure that after a while, you know, these things do wear, so that'll get a little less tension in it, but for right now it's okay. It also does look like it has a tiny Torx bit or an Allen head bit there to snug it back up when that happens. Nice. I would say 5-degree click. No, not 5. Maybe a 1-degree click. So I don't know how many teeth it comes with as far as inside, but it's pretty, you could, let me see if you can see that. Yeah, that's a 5-degree, isn't it? I don't know. It didn't come with any proof of what it was actually set, so I'd hate to say the wrong thing there. Of course, the ubiquitous 10 mil. If you don't want that to be lost. So awesome. So yeah, it's not a terribly long video, but I did want to show it off. They were nice of them to send it to me. Normally I try to keep stuff like this in a blow molded case, but in the case of this, I'm not sure that I'm going to, because you know, if it's in a case, you forget that it's there. You forget to use it when it comes to hand tools anyway, I feel like. Specialty tools, obviously, you know what you got. But I think for that, I'll probably take it out and put it into a row so that I have it available. I guess that'll do it for today. I'll leave a link to where you can pick up one of these things. And thanks again to Prostormer for sending it my way. It's really nice that automotive companies are reaching out to me. I've had some scan tool and tool reviews here this past year, which is something new for the channel. And they seem to be doing fairly well. Till next time, my friends, take care.